Hi, I'm Bob Wilson with Industrial Landons. Welcome to our Build Your Own Light video. What we're going to cover today is the decisions you have to make in building your own light and how to assemble your light. First thing you want to decide is what size light you want to do. We've got two primary sizes. We've got the 50 millimeter or the 70 millimeter. With these, you can see our plant signal unit back here. We use the 70 millimeter lights on. Once you decide on your size, then you want to decide on what type of a base that you're going to use. We'll get into wiring the bases up. They're all basically the same, so it's more of mounting options. So as you can see with this one, has a flange mount but has an adjustable angular base on it. So if you want to mount it to the side of a piece of equipment or if it's at an angle, you can adjust that to any angle you want. We've got a cone base that again has kind of a flange mount. It's about 5 inches tall. We have that. Most of these we have in both the 50 and the 70 millimeter, along with black or white. So just a matter of checking the website to pick which one you want. There's also some of the more of just a flush mount with a flange. There's also short 10 millimeter type through-hole mount like that. And then we also have the ones that have L brackets, things like that. You can check our website, see all the different ones that you have. So you want to select which size, which base. Then you also want to determine which voltage that you're going to be using. We offer 12 volt DC, 24 volt DC, 120 volt AC. And actually those ranges, the 120 volts are good from a range, so it'll go up to 220 also. Check the individual lights for those specifications. Once you've selected your voltage, your size, your base, then you want to select which lights, what colors you want. You can use a combination. As you can see, the color choices are from red, amber, green, a blue, a white, and then there's also a tone module. If you use the tone module, that takes the place of the blue light. It's just the way that the modules are put together. You can use one or all of the lights. They're modular. You can put them in any order. As far as wiring these up, every base comes with a cap. This thing goes on top of the very last light module that you have. And when you look inside here, what you'll see is two sets of connectors. One is where the ribbon connector from the light module will plug into. The other side is where you're going to connect your wires into. And as you see in the picture, the connectors are labeled. There's a ground, red, yellow, green, blue, and white connector. These are little screw terminals. Now one thing with these lights, it's triggered as a ground, but you can either do high side or low side switching on these. So you can apply 24 volts to the one and then switch each of your individual lights to ground, or you can run a single ground to it and then switch your individual ones to the plus side. So you can go either way with that. Just kind of depends on your application, but that is doable. Typically when I go to wire these up, the easiest thing to do is to first hook the wires up, unless you're doing a really long run. If you're just going to add a piece of cable to it and then you're going to hook it up, easiest thing to do is first just screw these in, leaving the wire on the outside, and then we'll fish it down through.